Hello viewers, how are you? In this video, I will tell you about top 20 richest person in India. Number 20. Ashwin Dani and family. Net worth is $6.3 billion. Born in 1944 and global rank is 421. Number 19. Rahul Bajaj. Net worth is $6.3 billion. Born in 1938 and global rank is 421. Number 18. M.A. Yusuf Ali. Net worth is $6.5 billion. Born in 1955 and global rank is 404. Number 17. Murali Devi and family. Net worth is $6.8 billion. Born in 1950 and global rank is 384. Number 16. Sanjeev Bajaj. Net worth is $7 billion. Born in 1969 and global rank is 369. Number 15. Kushal Pal Singh. Net worth is $8.3 billion. Born in 1931 and global rank is 297. And number 14. Kuldeep Singh and Gurbachan Singh Dhingra. Net worth is $8.4 billion. Born in 1947 and global rank is 294. Number 13. Azim Premji. Net worth is $8.6 billion. Born in 1945 and global rank is 288. Number 12. Binu Gopal Bangur. Net worth is $8.7 billion. Born in 1931 and global rank is 274. Number 11. Savitri Jindal and family. Net worth is $9.7 billion. Born in 1950 and global rank is 234. Number 10. Sunil Mittal and family. Net worth is $10.5 billion. Born in 1957. Global rank is 213. Number 9. Dilip Shangvi. Net worth is $10.9 billion. Born in 1955 and global rank is 203. Number 8. Cyrus Poonewala. Net worth is $12.7 billion. Born in 1941 and global rank is 169. Number 7. Kumar Mangalam Birla. Net worth is $12.8 billion. Born in 1967. Global rank is 168. Number 6. Palonchi Mistry. Net worth is $14.6 billion. Born in 1929 and global rank is 140. Number 5. Uday Kotak. Net worth is $15.9 billion. Born in 1959 and global rank is 121. Number 4. Radha Kishan Damani. Net worth is $16.5 billion. Born in 1954 and global rank is 117. Number 3. Shiv Nadar. Net worth is $23.5 billion. Born in 1945 and global rank is 71. Number 2. Gautam Adani and family. Net worth is $50.5 billion. Born in 1962. Global rank is 24. Number 1. Mukesh Ambani. Net worth is $84.5 billion. Born in 1957 and global rank is number 10. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel Truth of the World.